Hello guys, welcome back to Charo Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Rocket League communication with Epic Online service error. How to fix this up. So we have already uploaded a video which is 3 months ago, and for some users it is not working right now. So I'm going to talk about how to fix this up. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to check where your game is installed. For me it is on my document, so I'm just going to select this and you have to open games. And once you find the game on your PC, you just have to open this, then you just have to open this, and you have to find the cache. You have to, I'll be rewinding once again. First you have to find where the game is being installed, then you just have to open the game Rocket League folder. From there you have to find the cache folder, right? You have to find the cache folder and you just have to select this and you just have to go for delete. Once after delete, you just have to open the game, and which most probably will be fixing the issue up. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment sections. And also we would like to thank you to one guy named who just given us this method. His name is Gabalito for mentioning this method. So we just cross-checked this method in the Reddit and we found this is going to work. So that's about it, and don't forget to subscribe guys. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.